Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
If you love anything that makes your life easier, then you're going to want to check out this smart soap dispenser from Monstake. Not only can you easily control the amount of foam that comes out, but it comes out with such a light touch. Even if your hands are dirty like mine are from working in the garden, it doesn't take much to dispense the perfect amount of soap, whatever you decide you need. This is a large amber colored plastic bottle, so you can see through it if you need to, so that makes refills very easy as well. They've included instructions that give you tips on how to create a good quality foam soap. So if you're not buying a liquid foam soap, you can make one very easily. There's batteries that you place on the top, inside the top of the bottle, and that's where the magic comes from. Those batteries are easy to place as well. Refilling this is so simple because the opening to the bottle is wide enough for you to be able to see what you're doing. You're not going to be spilling a lot of product, even if you're filling it with lotion, because you can see exactly how much is inside. And also the fact that they've included labels, so if you do use it for shampoo or lotion, you're not going to forget what's inside. And the labels have instructions, so if you're placing this in a guest bathroom, your guests will be able to see how to use it, and they'll be able to dispense the right amount of soap for themselves. And the labels are waterproof, so even if the bottle gets wet and you have to clean it, you don't have to worry about the label getting ruined. It really is an intelligent soap dispenser. Not only is it good looking and easy to use, it dispenses the amount of product that you decide you want.
And that is my point of view.